guys, I'm with Top Tier Review, and today I'm looking at the Weller 30W soldering iron. And here's what it looks like. So basically you just plug this in. You can use this on different kinds of metals. And it also comes with these two different heads if you need some other little head, and then that. So, and here's the back for it. So we were using this on music equipment, but you can use this on other things as well. And there's a little QR code thing you can also scan on the back of it. So yeah, I would recommend this product. It works fine. We had no issues with it, and we'll be using it again soon. So yeah.